Smoke? He already smoked crack? You got there? Nah, the bit one you got there is really good. I looked at all that, not everything you got. Let's see what I got. My Chinese bit won't turn off, so it's pretty. RideTech shit. Alright. Got that high. What the hell is that about? That's all it is. It's got one very black. It's got a fuse holder on it. It's got the big relay. Damn. Oh, you about to put it down. My bad.
Ride down Martinez?
Oh yeah. And green lights. Nah, this bitch silent, bro. Green shag. Okay. Old Pinto though. It is so crazy, boy. This bitch sound like it is off. Huh?
You sneak up on a motherfucker.
I'm telling you. Right up on his ass. What AC?
I gotta make a mount and everything for it.
Okay. Whew, that motherfucker low as hell too. Yeah. Electric Pinto. Alright. Where is it at? Where the hell is it at?
A little different, don't it?
Yeah. Man, everything is black. Yeah. Pretty straight. Oh yeah, cause you had it. It's the whole motor out of your old one, right? Everything, right? Yeah. What up, man? Damn, that's like the Lewis dash. I ain't never seen that one.
That's HCX.
That bitch look good in there. dusty. Looking for the windows now. Strike now. That's fine. These 20s in the front too. Can't even tell. Yeah, 20s in the front too. I like 20 by 13s in the back. 335s. Dang. 335, 30 cents. Spank. Definitely ain't looking at
The black, the other Camaro that he's got.
flat black one. Is he or something?
I get down the brake, make the gas gauge work. Get the hell on.
Literally.
Yep.
It's the one. It's the one. Wait. I gotta move that white fucking truck. This a manual. That's right, because yours was a manual. So you took the transmission and?
No,
Okay, this okay.
we got him GR6060.
can still win when I get my shit together for real.
Yeah. And the best steering wheels we had too. Everybody just came in and actually felt one and ordered one.
Yeah, I bet. One of that is the one in the truck. That's the carbon fiber.
Yeah,
That's the hardest one. That gets certified.
That's the Ring Brothers one that's made by Spark.
Oh, okay. I saw you got that get that bitch ready and just snatch out of that third.
I think a 1,000 horsepower car have a hard pedal that is easy to match like a brand new car. Dual clutch setup.
Dual clutch. How about by the shop? So y'all know what's going on. Camaro, 800, 900,000 horsepower down there. Turn it down some, but it's still running. Them big ass damn tires on the back of this bitch. I'm talking about huge. Shout out Martinez on the paint and the stripe. I went 418 on them. Here we go. Cone Supercharged, Wagner lid on the LS 418. Now this is the motor that came out of the Shane's Monte Carlo. So he went LT4. Toned down a little bit horsepower wise, and then bro wanted this one for this car. Man, that thing was getting so sideways. Nothing special inside, just nice black, clean. TMI seats, stick shift with the dash. Let me go check out this spark steering wheel. So, gotta get that spark. but the side mirrors. Yeah, man, I'm talking about this bitch glass. Clearly see it.